What if I told you saving just $10 a day could make you richer than most people without working harder? Meet Prosper Panda, your guide to mastering money, success, and smart decisions. Today, he's about to reveal a secret that most people learn too late. Imagine two people, same age, same income, but completely different futures. What made the difference? The answer is simple, but powerful. It's not how much you earn, it's what you do with it. Every single dollar you earn has a job. Spend it or make it work for you. Most people choose spending without even thinking, and that's where the problem begins. But successful people, they pause, they think, and they make their money grow. Let's say you save just $10 a day. Sounds small, right? But over time, that small habit becomes something huge. This is the magic of consistency, doing small things every day. And when you combine consistency with time, you unlock a powerful force called compound growth. Compound growth means your money starts making money for you, and then that money makes even more money. At first, the growth feels slow, almost invisible, but then suddenly it explodes. This is why starting early is your biggest advantage. Even a few years of delay can cost you thousands or even millions. So what stops people from starting? Fear of losing money, confusion about where to invest, or simply not knowing how to begin? But here's the truth. You don't need to be an expert to start. You just need a simple plan and the courage to take the first step. Because the hardest part of success is simply getting started. Once you take that first step, everything begins to change. Your mindset shifts from spending to building. You stop asking, "Can I afford this?" and start asking, "Will this grow my future?" This one question can change your entire life. Because every choice you make is either building your future or delaying it. And the difference? It's in the small daily decisions. Now let's talk about something powerful: multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income is risky, but having multiple streams gives you stability and freedom. Think of it like this. Instead of one river feeding you, you create many streams flowing in. Even if one stream dries up, the others keep you going. This is how smart people protect themselves from uncertainty. Now you might be thinking, where do I even start? Start simple. You don't need 10 income streams overnight. Begin with one, then grow it step by step. It could be investing, freelancing, or starting a small side business. The key is take action, not someday see today. Because time is either your greatest asset or your biggest enemy. And the difference depends on what you do right now. Let's take this one step further. What if your money could work for you, even while you sleep? That's called passive income, and it's a game changer. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income keeps flowing even when you're not working. This is how the wealthy build freedom. Because when your income doesn't depend on your time, you control your life. But remember, passive income is not instant. It takes effort to build. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it, protect it, and give it time to grow. And one day, it starts giving back more than you ever planted. Now here's the truth most people ignore. Wealth is built quietly. While others chase quick wins, smart people focus on long-term growth. Because real success is not about luck, it's about discipline. Doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Saving when others are spending, investing when others are hesitating, and staying consistent when others give up. This is the difference between wishing for success and building it. So ask yourself, what are you choosing today? Because your future is created by what you do right now. If this opened your mind, hit like, subscribe for more smart content, and drop a comment saying start if you're ready to grow.